Everyone thinks the best-selling infrared thermometers for reptiles are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Temp Pro TP30. The Temp Pro TP30 infrared thermometer gun. This little device caught my eye with its bright orange color and the promise of high accuracy at an affordable price of just $19.99. If you want reliable temperature measurements for your reptile's habitat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Temp Pro features a fast reading system and can measure temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers all the bases for reptile owners. With a distance to spot ratio of 12:1 and an accuracy of ±1.5%, you can even pinpoint the temperature of your reptile's basking spot without getting too close. The adjustable emissivity means you can get accurate readings on different surface types, which is crucial because reptiles need precise temperature control to thrive. Now, some people complained about the battery life. Here's the thing though, while it might not last forever, it comes with a battery included and is designed to conserve power by shutting off after 90 seconds of inactivity. For most users, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a reptile owner who needs a quick and accurate way to check temperatures. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more advanced features or a longer battery life. For the price, it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want even more versatility in temperature measurement.
Product number 2, Attic City Infrared Thermometer. The Attic City Infrared Thermometer Laser Temperature Gun 774. Priced similarly, this little yellow tool stands out with its user-friendly design. If you want an easy-to-use thermometer that covers a variety of applications, this one's definitely worth considering. What I really like about this thermometer is its versatility. It can measure temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, which is plenty for most reptile habitats. With a 12:1 distance to spot ratio, you can take readings from a safe distance, which is especially handy when dealing with more sensitive reptiles. Plus, it features a backlit LCD screen, making it easy to read even in low light conditions. However, some users mention that it's not as durable as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you handle it with care, it should serve you well. It's light and easy to transport, which is a plus for those who travel with their pets. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and straightforward thermometer that can be used in various situations, not just for reptiles. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for high heat applications. Overall, it offers great value for those looking for an all-around tool. Now, if the Attic City's durability concerns bother you, the next product might take a different approach.
Product number 3, Suncoda Infrared Thermometer. We have the Suncoda Infrared Thermometer. At just $948, it's incredibly affordable and perfect for those on a budget. If you're looking for a no-frills option that still gets the job done, this might be your pick. This thermometer provides temperature readings from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which suits a wide range of reptile needs. It features a backlit LCD, making nighttime temperature checks a breeze. The fact that it operates on 2 AAA batteries is a nice touch, as it's easy to replace when needed. The auto shutoff function after 8 seconds helps save battery life too. However, some reviews noted that the accuracy can be less reliable on shiny surfaces. Here's the thing, for most reptile applications, you'll be measuring porous surfaces where this won't be an issue. If you're careful with how you use it, the Suncoda can still be a great tool. This is perfect for you if you want an economical solution for checking temperatures without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features or higher accuracy. You really can't beat the price for what you get. Alright, that was a great low-cost option, but the next thermometer on my list brings a bit more sophistication to the table.
Product number 4, Vidolo Reptile Thermometer. We have the Vidolo Reptile Thermometer and Humidity Gauge. Priced at $5.99, it's one of the most affordable options specifically for reptile habitats. If you want a simple yet effective way to monitor both temperature and humidity, this is worth checking out. This kit comes with 2 thermometers, which is fantastic if you want to monitor different areas in your pet's habitat. Each unit is designed with high accuracy, within 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that you know exactly what's happening in your reptile's environment. The LED display is easy to read, day or night, and it has a simple switch for Fahrenheit and Celsius, catering to personal preferences. Some users mentioned that the adhesive could be stronger. Here's the thing though, as long as you place it correctly from the start, it holds well enough for regular use. For those who prioritize monitoring humidity along with temperature, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you keep multiple reptiles or want to keep track of different areas in the habitat. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that combines advanced features. It's definitely a budget-friendly choice. Now, if you're looking for something that focuses heavily on temperature measurement without the fuss, the next product is for you.
Product number 5, K9 Outdoors Infrared Thermometer. We have the K9 Outdoors Infrared Thermometer Laser Temperature Gun. Priced at $17.97, this thermometer balances accuracy with functionality. If you want a reliable tool that covers a wide temperature range, this is definitely worth your attention. The K9 Outdoors Thermometer has an impressive temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can use it for a variety of applications, including checking heating elements in your reptile habitat. It features a 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio and single laser targeting, which makes it easy to pinpoint temperatures accurately. The Eye Protect LCD display is a nice touch, reducing strain when reading in different lighting conditions. A downside is that it doesn't have adjustable emissivity, which can limit accuracy on certain materials. However, for most reptile uses, this isn't a big deal. If you're careful about where you measure, you still get accurate readings. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-use thermometer that can handle a range of temperatures. Skip this one if you need very specific measurements on shiny surfaces or high-end features. It's a solid value for its price.
So there you have it, the TempPro TP30, eTech City Infrared Thermometer, Soon Coda Infrared Thermometer, Vodolo Reptile Thermometer, and K9 Outdoors Infrared Thermometer. Each has its strengths, whether it's versatility, affordability, or specialized features. It really comes down to what you need for your reptile's specific habitat. Choose wisely.